Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great and well. Welcome to another video where I'm gonna discuss my real experience with a trading course and expert, a very expensive one, which is around $7,900, which is 30,000 dirhams in UAE currency, around that. I'm gonna go through the courses, the experience, the problems that I thought in the course, the missing elements, and my key takeaways. Basically, anyone who's starting out in any field will look for courses, right? As I did, and this is my experience. And they're gonna face some issues. They're gonna be like, okay, who's the best person I should learn from? And is this person trusted or not? So I'm gonna talk about that all at the end of this video. I'm just gonna go start with my experience. And just a disclaimer, just a note, I'm not hating on any person. I'm not hating on a person that makes courses or teaches what he knows. But in my opinion, if the course is very expensive, as this is, a big question someone should ask is it worth it? And yeah, so I'm gonna answer that question as well as we go through the video. So let me just zoom in so everyone sees. So there were three courses that I took, starting from basic, intermediate, and advanced. I'm not gonna name any names or name of courses just so to keep everything private and confidential. I'm not hating on anyone. So these are the prices. I added the prices of each and what content was covered in each of these courses. The basic course, basically, I started with this course. It taught me the trading basics and some strategies. Trading basics, I mean like stop losses, how to put orders, and when to put orders and stuff like that. And the strategies being a simple one being the moving average crossover, as you see in the screen on the right here. The moving average, the white line, if it crosses over under or over, crosses under or crosses over, I either buy or sell. So it's a very simple strategy, and it was promised that to make me money. Anyways, moving on to the intermediate and advanced, these are courses I took after this course when I felt, okay, I feel something is missing here. I'm not making enough money. I'm not making money at all, not enough money. But I'm gonna talk about that later. So let me go into my experience. Once I took this basic course, I experienced that I found the secret to making money. This is how I was gonna make my generational wealth. So when I initially started, I got to know the markets. I got to know how the markets moved, how to put orders and all that. I thought, okay, it only takes 1 minute, and this was said in the course as well. It only takes 1 minute to put either a buy or sell order, and just wait for the money to come to you. You have nothing to lose. So I was like, okay, I got this. I got the secret, and this is the secret. It has been revealed, and I know it. I'm not gonna tell anyone because I know the secret. And I so then this was the euphoria, basically my emotional train. Okay, I'm super happy. I've done it. I've reached financial freedom. I just need to put it into action right now. And as soon as I put it into action, I realized something. I realized something is missing here. Like you put I used to put 5 orders per day, and four of them would be losses, and one would be a win. So basically, the losses would be more than wins, and I was losing money by time. Then I started feeling down. I was like, okay, there's something wrong here. There must be something wrong, but it can't be wrong because they said the course covered everything, and I didn't need any other course. This was the only course that I needed to trade, so there must be something wrong with me. But I always felt that something is missing. So part of this course was having a private group as well. So in that private group, I used to ask questions, and people would ask questions, and still are, and I'm still in those groups. And people still are asked questions, and majority of the group members still are figuring out what they're doing wrong. And also, this course had massive marketing as any other course. And it's a very well known course actually, but just for the sake of video, I'm not gonna mention any names. So this was my experience. Now coming on to the problems, what I saw in the course as problems and red flags, and you can basically see in other courses. First of all, the course was designed in a way to think you are the problem. It's not the course's problem because what was taught, basically the strategies were said that okay, these strategies work, but if it doesn't work, it was said many times and it's still being said that if it doesn't work with you, you are the problem. Yeah, or you need more courses. You need to take more courses. Take the course another time. Take another course. So And also a lot of knowledge that was being said was like I'm smiling because I'm remembering all the experiences. So a lot of that was being said is that you're not ready for such information. So you need to keep repeating. You need to get a pencil and paper and start drawing all the trend lines, the moving averages, and all that until you get everything right. Basically, you need to keep on repeating. Otherwise, it's your fault. Let's see the third point. It's your fault. It's not the strategy's fault. And also, you don't need any other book. So basically, what you can see here is they're directing your thinking in a way that okay, everything is here, but the issue is you. You need to focus. And another thing that's because I'm an engineer kind of, but anyways, I don't want to go into that. But engineers, doctors, and all these technicians, basically mathematicians, will do very bad in trading because they complicate things. But artists and people, I'm not. I mean, I don't know what's the relation between these two, but the artists and people who have a creative mind will do very good in trading. So it's gonna be very tough for engineers and doctors, but that doesn't make any sense, and it's not even relevant, in my opinion, at this point. After I figured everything out, another problem was that the strategies work. They work sometimes. They rarely work, but in the long term, you're never going to be profitable with these strategies because there are missing pieces. Trading is not like a buy and a sell signal. Let me just switch this chart. Basically, it doesn't mean that if the market goes below here, it means I need to sell directly, or if it goes above, I need to buy. In these two cases, I would have lost money, if you notice here. So it's more about looking at the data, looking what the market's telling you, understanding what the market's telling you, and saying, okay, the market is telling me that it is weak, there's not enough buyers, and it's most likely to go down. So, I mean, that's what I mean by this point. And the third point, the third problem that I saw was they were showing testimonials, and be aware of this because many courses do it. They show testimonials that okay, people made $500,000 after a week of taking, after taking this course, after understanding the material of this course, which is, I mean, really near impossible because trading takes time. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme, so it takes time in order to make money and understand and get a feel for that market. And overall, I felt everything here taught here is like blind trading. Blind trading, I don't know if that's a word, but I call it blind trading. Basically, it means if the market goes down, I sell. If the market goes up, I buy. I don't care about the context. I don't care about the psychology. I don't care about anything else. I just buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, and keep on going on. So, after I passed these stages, and I found that there were problems, and I was looking for solutions. These are the solutions. These are the missing elements, let me say. I found that would have given the full picture in this course. First of all, market psychology. Basically, you need to understand market psychology. What do I mean by that? What are the bigger traders doing? For example, at this point, are the bigger traders interested in selling or buying? Because you can't go against what the bigger traders are doing. You need to go with them. So understanding market psychology is very, 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 very important. And another point that was missing is to see acceptance at certain levels. For example, imagine that you have a resistance line over here and the market is going up, right? Yeah. So the market is going up, right? And you hit this resistance. How do I see acceptance at this level that the market wants to go lower, or it doesn't care about this resistance and wants to go higher? So that's a point that you need to look at. This comes to volume, footprints, and looking at statistics such as the delta and the CVD divergences, and if the market maker or the bigger traders are absorbing all the orders at this point. There are many factors, but that was also missing in this course. Another factor that was missing is risk management. For example, how do I manage my risk? So how do I manage my risk? For example, if I set an order here, how am I going to manage how much risk I'm taking for this order, and how do I protect my capital? And the fourth point is basically the context, understanding the context of the market. Basically, what I mean by that is the market making lower highs, lower lows? Is the market making upper highs, upper lows? Or are we in downtrend and uptrend? Or is the market, are the buyers more than the sellers, and so on? So now coming to the key takeaways for the future courses, basically what you could see as red flags when you're looking for courses, being trading or whatever other than trading, anything that related to making money, is that if the course is very expensive, you might want to ask, why is that course very expensive? Why would this person who's teaching this how to make money basically need my money, need that much money, let's say? Because most of people who are going to come to learn how to make money don't know how to make money, or they know but they're not very good at it, and also they don't have enough money to take that course, right? So why does he need my money if he's teaching something that works very well and he could use it to make money for himself? And a second point you might want to look at is if it has very heavy marketing. For example, if there's something called product classy. Yes, it means that if a product is very good, it's basically a term used in business. If a product is very good, you don't need to market. People market it for you because it's very good, it's very valuable, it gives value to a lot of people. So if this course is very good, why are they using very heavy marketing? So you might view as heavy marketing a very big red flag. And another key takeaway that for you is that everything you need, I mean everything you need is on the internet somewhere. You just need to search for it. So basically, if someone is teaching you something in a course, he's not teaching you something new. He's taking what's already in a book or in the internet and is just telling you in words. So if it's very expensive and it's a course that you really need to take, you can just search it up. And the fourth point is, if, for example, this brings to the point of the testimonials, basically telling you that people made $500,000 in a week after this course. Trading takes time. I'm gonna be totally honest here. Trading takes time. It's not a get quick rich scheme. It's not that someone teaches you a strategy and you go home and apply it and it works and you make a lot of money. There are emotions involved. There's money management involved. There's risk management involved. There's understanding the markets involved. Strategy is like 20, I'm not going to say any number, but it's a low percentage of what you need to know in order to trade and be profitable in trading. So basically, this is my experience and this is the problems that I saw in this course. And they're common in any other course, and some missing elements that I would fix and add to this course if I was going to take this course again. I wouldn't take this course again, but if that person wants to teach this course again. And these are some key takeaways to see as red flags for if you're going to look into future course. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was valuable to you. I hope this experience or my journey was valuable to you and got some inspiration. And everything is on the internet. Let me just say it one more time. Everything is on the internet. Anything you need is on the internet, and you go, you test it out. You just need to learn yourself, put in the time and effort and learn and put in practice, put in charting time, and you're gonna be good at it. That's for trading, but it works for anything else. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video and it was very, very valuable to you, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much.